Hey yo, thanks for coming to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. This video is to show you how to deep condition your hair in mini twists or locks and to ensure every single strand of hair absorbs maximum moisture. I had my hair in mini twist for about 4 weeks and it was time to wash, and then I decided to deep condition my hair before takedown. It saves time and energy.
You know what? I should be sleeping.
So I got up in the middle of the night to get it all done, and then this is my hair before wash. It is very dry and actually needs a lot of help. I went to the bathroom to wash using warm water, and that really opened up my cuticles and my hair is ready to absorb moisture, and this actually looks more appealing than before. I will be using this DIY conditioner. If you want to know what's in it, please check the videos before this. I'll also put the link below, or you can see it up there. In my usual manner, I'll put my twist in sections and then start to apply my conditioner by grabbing few twists and then start the conditioner over it. The squish to condish method is actually designed for curly hair, where you apply conditioner on your soaking wet hair, pour water over that, and you don't allow the water to run off. Instead, cup the water in your hands and force your hair to absorb all the water by squeezing it in. This is the technique that I try to do here. My hair is soaking wet since I just finished washing, and if you notice how I'm applying this DIY conditioner, I'm actually squeezing the conditioner into my hair. It isn't just an application, I am forcing it in. Otherwise the whole conditioner will just be sitting in my hair and not getting it at all. Then the whole purpose of deep conditioning in twist will be forfeited. So as you can see, I'll put the conditioner on my hair, run my hands through it up and down, and putting pressure in it just to squeeze the conditioner into my hair so my hair gets all of it. So this is what I'm going to do all over my hair, but this is what the video is about anyway. Now that I'm done with all of the hair, I'll just go over to put shea mix or the tips for extra moisture, since the tips are always the driest. And then I'll cover everything up with shower cap and steam for 25 minutes. Oh my god, someone's so sleepy right now. So I'll be sitting under the steam cap for 25 minutes and it's Netflix time. I got this cap from AliExpress and my life hasn't been the same since then. You should have one if your hair is low porosity. I'll put the AliExpress link below if you want to get one. So now it's about 25 minutes and then this is what we have. My hair has soaked in all of the product. All of the DIY products soaked it all in, and then the curls decided to pop. Can you believe that? So I will rinse it all off again with warm water, and I actually don't use any other thing other than warm water and wash this. Look at that. Just look at that. I will take down one twist for you to see how moisturized it is. All right, so can you see that? Can you see that? It looks so relaxed and definitely feels moisturized. And to end the whole wash day, I will hold my scalp with my oil mix and then apply leave-in conditioner, which is from Afro Roots. I'll put the link of my review of this product below, and as well as a purchase link for you if you'd like to try it out. And then I'll just rub in some shea mix on it, and just look at that. Look at that. Okay, so another extra care for the edges. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you're going to try it out. I hope it's informative enough, and I got to sleep right now. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'm on Instagram as Sindupsi, Natural Sindupsi on Twitter, and catch me on the blog naturalsindupsi.com.ng. Bye.